I'm Peter Haddock and I'm here in Lyon and I've actually come across Thomas. This is actually your head office in the south of France. And wow, you're doing a lot in here for the customers, including looking after the equipment here. So tell me a little bit about the service that you give the customers here in France and actually the setup that we're going to see you walk around in a minute.
Yeah, absolutely. So what I liked about us just crossing the path yesterday is that I said, yeah, let's meet the team here, because you've been to Hexagon Live.
Yep.
You meet all the new technology and so on. But what I like here is that you will see the people taking care of the technology, making sure that all is well maintained, that it all is well repaired when something goes wrong. And what I do like is the new motto of Hexagon is when it has to be right. So it's the same as Leica. And that's good to see that people here locally implemented in France, in Lyon, for example. It's not only in Paris, but we have Lyon, we have Nantes, we have other locations. And we are in the building together with Hexagon colleagues from MI. So we can just cover whatever is measurement required from the micron to the hectares of land that you have to survey or to move dirt on or whatsoever. And that's very cool. So that I'm super excited to see you here today, because we will meet the people, we will see where they work and where the magic is done. So that's brilliant.
We talk about things like cables being broken on the job site. Sadly, people drop these as well. And, you know, we've got to maintain this equipment to get that level of accuracy, because when it has to be right, the machines have to be calibrated right. We have to look after the machine control. If somebody's done something wrong, we can dial in, we can do this, but also if they've damaged the hardware, then that's where the home of getting it right comes in here. So we've got the area that matters, folks, because we have customers coming in here, picking up spare parts and things like that. Also, when you're getting things to actually maintained, you need something to keep them going as well. So you've actually got already refurbished parts in here that you can switch out for the customer whilst theirs is getting looked after. That's important, isn't it?
It is extremely important. It's paramount. This, for example, but also I could say that, you know, what is the cost of this cable?
I don't know. It's probably a few euros, but
it's thousands and thousands and tons of euros if it's missing on your job site because it's broken and blocking the whole operation with machines and people waiting and so on for one cable. What is cool about this place, it's not looking very fancy. It's just a spare part stock, but people can come over here in Lyon, pick that up and go to their job site and fix the machine within an hour, which is making the world of difference for people, because they can work, they can go, they can keep going, and the cost that it would represent is just huge. For, as you said, some euros cable, that's really different. And as I said, when we have to fix or to do maintenance on something, it's good to have a loan equipment so that we can still continue working on your job site. So that's what I do like about this, is that we are here close to our customers. They can come to us or we can ship. We have colleagues able to ship anytime.
It's not just about fitting everything, it's about the support and level of support you get, folks, from the team here in Lyon and the wider Leica Geosystems community across the globe. Great to see. Better put it back on the shelf just in case a customer needs it. However, there's one more space that we need to go and see, and that's where the real detail happens. Come on, let's have a look.
Let's go over there.
So we've got a stop sign next to me here because this is a controlled environment, folks. Tape on the floor. This is where the real work happens. Tell me, when something comes in here like a total station, how many hours are the team working on that to make sure everything's right, and what are they doing?
For a standard maintenance, that's at least 7 hours of work that goes in this disk. And Armel here is busy with one total station, and they will check everything. They will change the grease. They will just make sure that the wear parts are changed as well. It's really a maintenance. Make sure that everything, every tiny detail is taken care of so that it's in the perfect condition. And it's why we say when it has to be right, you come to Leica. To Leica Geosystems, because you are sure that the maintenance is properly done. And this is really making the difference.
So they're a really critical part of any operation, the total station, but also there's all the other different parts that are looked after here. And so putting all of that effort in really gets those levels of accuracy you need on the job site, the corrections that come from that. So great to see you again.
See you next time, Peter. Cheers.